Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about some introduction to stack. Okay, just see here. I have classified the stack for C++, Python, Java, and JavaScript for some operations. Okay, first of all, let us see for C++. Okay, just see here. My stack dot push of 10. Then value is pushed into the stack. Then if I put pop, it will remove that element. Then if I put dot top of, it will use the peak element, the first element in the stack. Then if I put dot size of, it will give the size of the stack. Then if the stack is empty, you want to check like my stack dot empty of, or else we also can check like my stack dot size of is equal to 0. Is right, because if the size is equal to 0, then we can obviously say that it is an empty stack, right? And then to clear stack, we don't have anything in C++. Let us see here with an example. Yes, here's a C++, and let me take this. Now, just observe carefully. Here is stack of int of s. Okay, it is a STL. Okay, what is meant by STL? It means it is a standard template library. Okay, fine. See here, s dot push of 10. Right now, let us take a stack. Now, I have pushed what 10. Okay, then 24, then 4, then 8, then 90. So these are the things I have pushed now. Okay. Now then I am just printing what? Printing the stack dot top. What is at the top? It is 90. Okay. So that's why the output is first 90 here. Okay. Then s dot pop off. If I do pop off, this 90 will be removed. This 90 will be removed, and then s dot top off again. S dot top off. Now what is in top? It is 8. So output is 8. Now s dot size of. Now what is the size? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the size. Okay. Again, s dot size is equal to 0. It means I'm checking whether it is empty. We can also use like s dot empty of. Your choice. It's your choice. Okay. Totally your choice. Uh, so it will use what? 0. Why? Because it is false, right? It is false. If it is true, it will return what? 1. Else it will return 0. That's why. Okay, let us run it. Yes. See here. 9840. That's what I have told you, right? So this is all about the C++. Now let's say see that same for Python. Before that, just observe here. If I remove this as a command, now what will be the output? The output will be error. Why error? Why we get error? Okay, just we can analyze. Just see here. Error, no match for the operator. What, this is the operator? Then see here, void. What void? It means that this pop-off function will return a null value. That is a void value. That's why we can't able to print it. So here is why in C++ stack, when you are using stack, you must be so clear, and you want to know the whole concept of stack in this point. Okay, just see here. If you want the topmost element, you have to what? S dot top of. Then you have to store in any other variable. Again, then only you have to do what? S dot pop off. If you directly do this s dot pop off and store in a variable, in that variable none will be stored. Okay, so be careful and conscious while doing this stuff. Okay, so this is all about the C++. Let us go with the Python. Now see here, in Python we can implement in two ways. One is by using list, another one is using the deq from the collection library. Okay, if you use deq, your syntax will be like this: stack is equal to deq of a square bracket. So this is the initialization for, that is, this is the declaration of stack. Okay, now stack dot append of 10. Let me write it here so that it will be more clear. See here, this is stack. Now what's the first thing? It is 10, then next 5, then next 7, then next 9, then 4. Isn't it right? Now just observe carefully what I have done here. Stack dot pop off. So if I pop off, this 4 will be removed, but it is not like C++. It will be removed and it is returned from the pop-off function. In C++, in pop-off function, what will be returned? It will be returned none. But in Python, while using the pop-off function, it returns what? It returns the popped value. Popped value, right? So what is the output? It will be 4 here. 4 here. Fine. Now print stack. It means whether stack is empty or not. In Python, we can use this. Okay. Sorry. If it is in condition, if I give if stack, this is what condition. During this time, if there is any element in stack, it will be taken as a true, else it is false. If I print this stack, it will be like 10, 5, 7, and then 9. Okay, it is like list. Okay, it will be printed. If you use dq, it prints like dq in front of it. That's it all about this. Then what is the next? Stack of -1. It means, what is the -1 in this? What is the -1 in this in Python? See here, it is -1, right? It is -1, it is -2, -3, -4. What is in -1? 9. 9 is the topmost element, right? See here, 9 is the topmost element. So the next output will be what? 9. Clear. Now why we are using that -1 in this? Now then next one is not stack comma len of stack is equal to 0. It means, I have told you right here, if stack, if I give like this, it will return what? If there is any element in stack, it returns true, else it will return false. That's it, right? So see here, see this carefully. So not stack means we are checking whether it is empty, and len of stack is equal to 0. Again we are checking it is empty, whether it is empty. Okay, now print of len of stack. Okay, what is the length of stack? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the output. See here, after this, whether the stack is empty, no, so it will be false. Then what is the length of the stack? It is 4. Then stack dot clear off. When we are using clear off, that stack will be converted into what? Will be converted into just an empty stack. Now print stack. What will be the output? It will be empty stack. If it is a dq implementation rather than the list, then here is like dq and bracket. See here, 4 dq of 10 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9, then 9, then false, then 4, then dq off. I told you, right? I told you. Now if you remove this dq off and if you use this, the dq off word is removed. That's it. Clear? Now let us go for Java. In Java, everything is class and object, right? So see here, stack s is equal to new stack of. I created an object, then s dot add of 10. Let me write this to here. Now just take example like this. Now what are the element? First one is 10. 10 is added. Now 2 is added. Now 90 is added. Then 7 is added. Then 20 is added. Fine. Now s dot peak is a term, or it is a function which is used to what? It is used to take the topmost element. So what is the topmost element? It is 20. So 20 is the output. Let me write here output. So 20 is the first output, right? Then s dot pop off. If it is pop off, then this 20 is popped out. This 20 is popped out, and this pop off function will return 20. Will return what? 20. So we are printing that pop off function, right? So again the value is 20. Now the stack don't contain this 20. Okay, now again s dot pop off. So this 7 is popped out, and this pop off function returns 7, but it is not printed. Okay, now again system dot out println s dot peak. So peak value is what? 90. So my output is what? 90. Now s dot size of, what is the size? Size is 3, because 1, 2, 3, right? So size is 3, and then s dot size is equal to 0. That means I'm checking for empty, whether it is empty. No, it is not empty. So it returns what? 0. Fine. Let us run this. Here I said 0, right? But it came as false, okay? Because it is a Boolean value. But still, if you make it an integer value, it will be 0, okay? As of now, it is Boolean, so we can write it as false. Fine. Then let us go for JavaScript. Just see here, this is a JavaScript code. Now, how to declare a stack in JavaScript? In JavaScript, we use array. We use array as the stack. Okay, just observe here. Let me take another color. Okay, now there's a stack like this. Now what I am pushing first? Dot push off. dot push off is a keyword to push the value into the stack. So it will be 10, then 90, then 7, then 20, then 9. So this is a stack value, and what is the output? Let us take. Okay, now next I'm just printing what? Stack. See here, console.log of stack. Okay, now when I'm printing that, see here, this whole stack will be printed. What will be the value? 10, 90, 7, 20, 9. Fine. Then next, stack.pop off. If I do pop off, the first value, this value will be taken out of this stack, and it will be returned from the pop off function. In C++, that's a different, right? So what is the value? It is 9, and we are printing, right? We are printing stack.pop so 9 will be output. Fine. Then stack.length. So what is the length now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the length. Fine. Now stack.length minus 1. So just see here, let me write here. What is stack? It is 10, 90, 7, 20 as of now, right? As of now, it is a value. Now it is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. What is stack size? Stack size is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the third index is the topmost element in the stack. Yes, this element. So that's why we are using what? Stack dot length minus 1. Fine. So it will print what? It will print 20. Now stack dot length is equal to 0. It means dot clear of function. Dot clear of function, as we learned in Python, right? So that's the thing, difference between Python and JavaScript. Here we use what? Stack dot length is equal to 0. We are assigning what? That length is equal to 0. So then while we are printing it, it will be empty stack. Do you understand this? Yes, clear. This is the output. Let us run this. Yes, this is the output. Same I have written here. So this is all about the stack basic foundations. If you want to learn some other languages like Go, Ruby, or else whatever languages, just go and check with the ChatGPT and get some resources in websites and try to implement some stacks, and then go to the problem solving. Right? Thank you.